Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Chola temples consisted of invariably three parts, arranged in different manners, but differing in themselves only according to the age in which they were executed. Number one is mandapas, which always cover and precede the door leading to the cell. I mean, before you enter the temple, you will always see the mandapa. Then you have gopuras. These are the principal features, quadrangular enclosures that surround and more notable temples. Gopurams are very common in all Dravidian temples. Today you see in pretty much every Dravidian temple gopurams. And then pillared halls or chavadis or chowdhuries. These are multi-purpose pillared halls. Similar to mandapas, they are also pillared hall, but they are used for different things. Like for example, in Tirumala, there is a chowdhury for tonsuring. Ya mundan karne ke liye alag, there is a chowdhury. For bathing and resting, there is a separate chowdhury. For food, for waiting for the queue, there is a separate chowdhury. For eating food queue, that is also there is a chowdhury. Chowdhury or chavadi is basically that, as the word goes. The temples usually had a tank or a pushkarini, mainly to be used for sacred ritualistic purposes and for the convenience of the priests. Okay, and the dwellings for all grades of priesthoods were actually attached to these sculptures with these temples. What you call as agraharas. See, agrahara, that is the residence or the abode of the priests, that was always constructed very close to the temple or within the temple complex for the priests. In South, given that temples were doing a bigger job than just prayers, these temples needed fortifications because of the wealth they were earning. The South Indian temples were earning a lot of wealth. So if so much wealth is being earned, then that wealth also has to be protected and safeguarded. For that, fortification was needed. Also, the gopurams were built of such size because these gopurams could be seen even from far off places. And presence of a gopuram basically indicated presence of a market town. So once you have a gopuram, you will realize that there is a civilization or there is a village or there is a town there and people would come there.